In this class, we'll continue modeling the truck. We'll design the solid base for inserting the wheel. So let's begin. First, open the truck file from the previous class. After that, select the right plane to start sketching the wheel base. Enable the line tool. Draw a line as shown here. Select the tangent arc command and click the end of the line and drag the mouse to create the arc. Then click the workspace to conclude the arc. After that, use the line tool, click the end of the arc, and drag the mouse diagonally to create another line like this. And finally, to conclude, activate Offset Entities. Now change the value to 6 mm in the Offset Distance box. Using the line tool, create two lines as you see here. Then apply the Trim Entities command to trim unnecessary entities from the sketch. There are 5 options when using Power Trim. Just drag the mouse over the entity and it will be erased like this. After doing this, click the Close dialog to accept changes. Great, now the wheelbase sketch is ready for extrusion. But before extruding, it is necessary to define the sketch. Add the geometric relations like this. Then add the dimension as you see here. So, as you see, the sketch is completely defined. Now click Extruded Boss Base. Select the End Condition box and activate the Midplane option. Change the extrusion value to 40 mm and confirm. Great, the base is ready, and now we'll create the body for inserting the wheels. Select the right plane and activate the Circle tool. Let's create the circle in the center of the part edge as shown here. Select the Smart Dimension tool. Input 12.5 mm for the diameter and confirm. Now activate Extrude Boss Base and the Midplane option. Change the extrusion value to 128 millimeters and confirm. So now conclude the part for inserting the wheel. Select the created flat plane and we'll insert a sketch. Activate the circle tool and create a circle in the center of the face. Input the diameter value as 8 millimeters and confirm. Then select Extruded Boss Base and the Blind option. Change the extrusion value to 33.5 millimeters and confirm. Very well, the body for inserting the wheel is ready. Now we need to mirror this body. Select the right plane and activate the mirror tool. On the Feature to Mirror flyout, select a feature on the body and confirm. Excellent! You have designed the skateboard truck. In the next class, we'll insert holes, threads, and add some other necessary details. In this class, we have designed a solid body for inserting the skateboard wheels in SOLIDWORKS 2010.